Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our in-depth guide on repairing the HP Omen 16AK series laptop. First, we need to gather our tools. You will need a Phillips #0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. Let's ensure we work safely by using the wrist strap to avoid any static damage to the components. Begin by shutting down the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery by unscrewing the two screws at the base. Once the battery is removed, we can proceed to open the back cover. Carefully insert the plastic spudger along the seams of the device to pop the back cover off. Be gentle to avoid breaking any clips. Now that we have access to the internals, take a moment to visually inspect the components. Look for any signs of dust buildup or loose connections. If you notice dust, use compressed air to clean out the fans and heat sinks, ensuring optimal performance. If you feel overwhelmed or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, locate the RAM and storage drives. If you're experiencing performance issues, reseating the RAM can often help. Gently push the clips on either side of the RAM modules to release them and then reinsert them firmly back into their slots. If you're not comfortable doing this, consider our pickup and delivery at your home for a hassle-free solution. Moving forward, let's check the cooling system. Overheating can cause significant damage to your laptop. If you find that the thermal paste on the CPU and GPU has dried out, it's time to replace it. Clean off the old thermal paste with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth. Apply a small amount of new thermal paste evenly on the CPU and GPU surfaces. As we reassemble the laptop, ensure all screws are tightened properly. There are several screws of different lengths, so keep track of where each one belongs. If you're unsure, our service can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect before proceeding. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the battery and power on the laptop. Monitor the startup process to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If issues persist, it might be best to seek professional help. Remember, with our service, there's no need for calls or travel. We make it easy for you to get your device checked without leaving your home. In conclusion, maintaining your HP Omen 16AK series laptop requires regular cleaning and checks on the internal components. By following these steps, you can tackle many common problems and extend the life of your device. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to reach out for our expert diagnosis and repair services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.